Okay, we have this Alienware, and we're supposed to bring it to its working, healthy condition. So we need to do an inspection report. Let's see what's going on with this guy. Okay. Oh, it's got a little line on the screen. That's unfortunate. Okay, let's see. i7 4th gen, okay. What else? 1 terabyte HDD. Okay, so Alienware 15. What do we got? We got a Toshiba 1 TB, Samsung SSD 500, 16 gig, DDR3, i7 4th gen, has an NVIDIA GPU, and anything else interesting? Okay. Battery is good, okay. And line screen, which is just minor. Okay. Okay. So let's bring our own external tool like KTV or something. Just check the health. Disable secure boot, yes. Yeah, i7 4th gen, okay. F10, yes, and F12. Klipsch audio. Sounds fun. Okay, I'll boot into our little product. Top secret, you may never see the screen, I'm kidding. Okay, we're gonna boot normally into Sergey boot utilities. The audio quality, I think, is much better. Let me listen. We're trying to improve the microphone quality. Right, so I don't see any liquid damage. Battery has expanded, pretty much all of them. Yeah, which is unusual. Yep, that's perfectly fine. Still going? And still going. It may fail. I think these line issues are quite common in this family of products. Touch is still good. Hmm. So it's got 4 real cores and 4 virtual cores. Okay, let's see if there are any files as well. Let me see what's inside them, because this is going to go to waste for the customer. They want us to wipe it. I see. Okay. This is going back to the date of, yeah. So these are, what do you call it, 2017, yeah, Chinese data. Yeah, just pure gaming. Okay, so looking at this, for its age, this hard drive is doing fine. Okay, and the secondary drive. Oh, yes, SSD is actually failing. Okay, no worries. Apart from that, everything else seems fine. Okay, we'll give them their options for this. Easy one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Out of curiosity, let's just check this part. Hmm. So it takes a SATA SSD. Okay. See you later, alligator.